Are you struggling to get your 1,000 subscribers?
Okay, so I'm going to be heading over to Google, click on the search icon and search for Invideo AI. This is it already popping up. So this very first option, I'm going to click on it. Yeah, as you can see, it's giving you the option to either log in or sign up. Yeah, so if you're just finding this particular website for the first time, you have to sign up. But for me, I already have an account with them, so I'll just click on login. I might need to blow out my information, maybe my login details. So let's just give it some time. Oh wow, it automatically logged me in. That's because I already have an account with them already, so that is totally fine. So you click on this part that says create short video. Let me click on it, create short video. So it says create a dash. So yeah, you either choose that a fast pace or very fast. Like they want to know how fast you want the video to be. You know, short is actually supposed to be fast anyways. That's why it's short. So let's just say fast paced video for YouTube Shorts. About here, you have to put your topic. So let's say I'm in the lifestyle niche, for example. So let's now say how to glow. It's actually raining. I don't know if the sound of the rain will be entering this particular video. So for the settings, you want background music. You can add background music to make it more fun. Yeah, the language, you can change your language, but I'm going to be leaving it at English. Do you want subtitle, voice actors? So let's just use, you can come here to choose, let's just use a female voice. Yeah, you can actually choose a female voice. Then here you can come at clear American voice, you understand? So let me just go with clear American voice. Yeah, you can choose subtitles if you want, watermark text, music. You can go ahead to do all of this, but let me just click on proceed so I'll not waste our time. So now let's just click on, let's just send it. It's going to actually create this video like for us. And when it created for us, this way you don't get to have copyright issues. There are no copyrights, nothing. The videos are yours. Once any video you generate from Invideo, you will not get copyright from them. Yes. And they're actually very, very realistic. No way, you guys will actually see what I'm talking about once it is done. You can see it actually even gave you a title, how to glow, quick tips. Yeah, you know, I just use the lifestyle niche, for example. I cannot do for every niche. You can just do the one that actually suits your niche. Yeah, so let's just wait for it to load. By the way, guys, I'm actually using the free version, so I'm not paying any money. You can see they're actually asking me which one. So let's just click on this quick tips. Yeah. So the duration, you want 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds. So let's just click on 30 seconds is actually fine. Yeah, because you don't want it to be too long. YouTube Shorts. So you can see it's 0 credit. And all I just need to do, just click on this generate. By the way, guys, if I'm using the paid version, I can increase the minutes. Yeah. I can do up to like 3. No, for YouTube Shorts is up to 3 minutes. So once I'm using the paid version, I can do up to 3 minutes, but because I'm using the free version, so I cannot do longer than 45 seconds. You understand? So in case you're seeing that, so that's one of the downside, but you can actually use it for free. Yeah, in any case, YouTube Short is supposed to be short. So let's just wait. This is 5%. So it might take a while. Maybe I'll just have to pause this screen record. So once I pause it and it's ready, I'll just pick it up from there so that I don't get to stay on the live for too long. Okay guys, so as you can see, it is done and our video is ready. Even though we chose 30 seconds, they did 26 seconds, which is actually totally fine. Just 4 seconds left. So let's just wait for it to play. Okay guys, so our video is ready. Let us play our video.
Ready to level up your glow game? Let's do this. Start with a splash of cold water. It wakes up your skin instantly. Next, dab on a vitamin C serum for a dose of radiance. Don't forget moisturizer. Hydration is your best friend. Swipe on a little sunscreen. Yes, even indoors. Bonus tip, smile. Nothing glows brighter than your confidence. So try these quick steps and get glowing in under a minute. You got this.
So you can see the video is actually okay. But if you want to change anything, maybe you're not satisfied, you can still go ahead and click on this button that says edit. And if you also want to download, you can see here it says edit and download. So let's just click on this edit and download. You can see, okay, something went wrong. Let's cancel this. So let's click on, you can see here is edit if you want to edit. If you want to edit, just click on it to edit whatever I want to edit. But for me, I am totally satisfied by this particular video. All I just need to do, just click on this download. So you can see here, because I'm using the free version, so it has to come with watermark. So I have to click stock watermark. Yeah, that's one of the disadvantages of using a free version. So Invideo AI branding, you understand, just click on normal. Yeah, because if you're clicking on none, you have to pay. If you're clicking on subtle, you have to pay. You understand? So this ones you see crown, just click on normal. Then the resolution, you can leave it at that. So now you click on continue. So it's going to take you to the parts where you have to download. Yeah, so you can see it's actually rendering the video. You have to wait. Yeah, you have to wait for all of this to be done. And by the way, guys, don't worry. I'm going to show you what this particular video is actually going to do after it's done downloading. And also note that this is not only for YouTube short though. For those of you thinking, oh, you want to start a YouTube channel, you have no idea, or maybe you don't even know how to edit, you can come here. You guys can actually see what I actually want. You can see downloading details. It is already downloading. Do you guys actually see? So while it is downloading, there's something I want you to look at. If you look at this part, you will see it gives you description. Let's click on this part here. Look at the description. Short, punchy. Look at, like, you guys can actually see description that you can add to your video while uploading it. So they actually help you optimize it. Do you guys actually understand? They help you optimize that particular video, and they also give you title for the video. So guys, as you can see, our video is done downloading. You can see download complete. So you just head over to your YouTube and upload that short. You can come right here, copy the description, look at the title, copy the title, and yeah, you can actually choose this one to be private. Like, let's say you don't want any other Invideo user to actually view it, so you can choose it to be private and just, upload it on your YouTube short. You can come here to do as many videos as possible. This particular app, Invideo, is actually good for those people that don't really know how to edit, or they find editing tiring and don't want to use other people's video, because if they use other people's video, they might get a copyright strike. So this particular app actually saves you from getting copyright strikes. Yeah. So, and if you want to enjoy it to the fullest, then you can actually go and use the paid version, yes, to be able to get longer video. And this, like I said earlier, is not just for YouTube short. You can use it for long form videos too. It will generate it for you, whatever niche you are. If you're in the kids niche, if you're doing entertainment, if you're doing education, if like whatever you're actually doing, they're actually here for you. Even if movies, if you're doing movies, they can actually create movie for you, like movie. Yeah, if you are using the paid version, it can create longer movie for you. But if you're using the free version, it has a limit. I think up to 10 minutes. It can create up to 10 minutes video that you can use, you understand? But for longer videos, maybe up to 30 minutes, 1 hour, you have to use the paid version. I hope you guys actually understand. So now let me be ending this. If you learned anything or you find value, please do what to hit on the like button. That's one way you guys can get to support me. Please, I'm not asking you to give me money or do anything. All I'm just asking for is please just click on that like button. Yet to encourage me. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. And thank you for leaving a comment in the comment section. I appreciate all of your contribution towards my channel. And also, if you find any issue, maybe you are like trying to do it and you're stuck, which I believe you should not be stuck if you follow this particular pattern. But if you're stuck, let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there to assist you. And also, I'll also be leaving my email on this particular screen. So in case you want to reach out to me regarding anything, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be right there to answer. I'm just a call away, or should I say a mail away. Yeah, all right. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in our next video. Bye, guys.